Hey everybody, it's Prentice with Super Detail Store and Super Detail Training Center. Want to let you know about an upcoming training clinic that we have on Saturday, June 21st from 9 to 4, featuring CCI products. You can actually get certified in CCI ceramic coatings. We will be going over the prep on the car, including some polishing, featuring pads from our friends at Lake Country. We will be using towels from our friends at Auto Fiber. Now there is a fee for the class. It's $295, but along with that fee, you get a pack of CCI coatings, and you also get a pack of Auto Fiber towels, and of course we're going to give you lunch. We always bring a good lunch here at Super Detail for our events. So what else? Oh, bonus opportunity for those of you that qualify. We'll be offering you certification in the latest from CCI, which is Revolution, a more advanced coating. But go on to the superdetail.com website and click on events and scroll down to CCI Clinic to see what that Revolution qualification thing is all described there for your business. And we definitely need you to RSVP and prepay for the class. We're going to have a great time. We'll work on a car, and we're going to have a great time.